the interview that you just did with Nawaz Sharif, the first interview that he's given, or the only interview that he's given so far to any Indian media, where essentially he seems to have told you that he has no reservations about Narendra Modi, and also that he's hoping to pick up the threads which he left off with Vajpayee in 1999.
Absolutely, Vasu. These are the first comments he's made to any media since his trip to India. It is an exclusive interview that we've just done with Mr. Sharif on record. He's been a bit camera shy because he says he doesn't want to say anything that could at all cast a shadow over the meetings. But in a set of questions and answers, this is what he told me. I started, of course, by asking him how he saw this meeting. Does he see it merely as a social getting to know each other, as the BJP or some in the BJP have said it is? Well, in a sense, the rhetoric from Nawaz Sharif is placing a great deal of expectations on the meeting, because he's saying that his being here, and remember, he's coming back to India for the first time since 1991 when he was here for Rajiv's funeral. Nawaz Sharif in that exclusive interview to me saying that he sees this moment as a great opportunity. He sees it as a great moment. What is also important is that when I asked him about his expectations from the meeting, he spoke about the strong mandate received by Narendra Modi, and he also referred to his own handsome mandate in the recently concluded Pakistan elections last year. And he said that this strong mandate actually frees up leaders on both sides, talking about himself and Narendra Modi, to actually turn a new page in the history of India and Pakistan. So very important reference to Mr. Modi's mandate there. He said he very much looks forward to meeting Mr. Modi. He allayed apprehensions here that there were hardline elements in Pakistan pressurizing him not to come. He said he took time to make that announcement only because he wanted to consult all shades of political opinion. And he said 95% of political parties have backed him in his decision to come here. He also went on to say in that exclusive interview to us, Vasu, that he says that no two countries in the world have the kind of commonalities, have the kind of shared histories that India and Pakistan do, and that it is a moment to convert these similarities into a moment of strength. It is a time for both India and Pakistan to start a process of removing fears, misgivings and mistrust. And finally, Vasu, there has been some suggestion from Nawaz Sharif that he would like to meet with Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He said that the BJP must look at me as somebody who remembers what the BJP did for the peace initiative in Pakistan. He did not at all sound troubled by the kind of aggressive rhetoric that was used perhaps by the BJP in the election campaign. He indicated that parties there understand that this happens in election. He said, I want the BJP to know that I remember the Vajpayee who created the Lahore Declaration. I also remember the shadow of Kargil, but I am here to tell the BJP, I am here to tell Narendra Modi that I would like to pick up the broken threads of 1999. So some extremely strong statements coming from Nawaz Sharif in that exclusive interview to NDTV and to me a short while earlier.